And the race on, Queen of Class, fast to begin. Tawan is running down on the inside is Launlaan. Action Sailor on the further outside, Inner Class Angel Dugo. Moving up down on the inside is my Bukaspa, Money Queen also moving up. Launlaan, Queen of Class, Inner Class on the outside. Action Sailor in the middle, Money Queen down on the inside, Angel Dugo as they round the 3/4 mile distance with two runners fighting it out for the lead. Queen of Class in the middle, Launlaan down on the inside, Inner Class alongside Action Sailor is racing forward by some 2 lengths. Money Queen down on the inside, Angel Dugo is racing in 6 by some 2 lengths, and comes Wind Beneath My Wings, may bukas pa. So the war on the further outside is Towanits. Rounding the far turn, Queen of Class, this time by a length and a half. Inner Class on the outside, Launlaan. Action Sailor, Money Queen also moving up. Another far turn, Queen of Class by a length and a half. Inner Class, Action Sailor, Money Queen, Launlaan as they race the final corner. Queen of Class still hanging to the half length lead, and on the outside is Inner Class, Action Sailor. Money Queen is racing down on the inside. Queen of Class running by the rail. Inner Class, Money Queen on the further outside, Action Sailor. Queen of Class, Action Sailor moving up, moves up, and finally Action Sailor, Money Queen, Queen of Class, Inner Class, Angel Dugo, and for your super sa is Wind Beneath My Wings.